Replacing the idler pulley on a 5.3L V8 Chevy, let's do it! This one right here is the idler pulley, the one that we are going to be replacing today. This other one is the belt tensioner, and of course we need to release the tension from the belt in order to take the belt out so we can remove or change the idler pulley. And this is how the belt goes around all the pulleys. Keep this reference close. Use a ratchet or serpentine tool to release tension from the belt and slide it off the pulley. This is one of the easiest car maintenance you can do to a 5.3 Chevy engine. You will see me using a power tool, but the only reason for that is to speed up my process. But this is totally doable with any regular tool that you have at home. Now remove the bolt holding the old pulley. And as you saw in the video, this is a 15mm socket. Here is the new pulley. Make sure it spins smooth and quiet. When installing the new idler pulley back in place, first do it by hand and then use any regular ratchet that you have. If this video is helping you to complete this job, that means you are saving a lot of money. As a thanks, please consider liking and subscribing. Now let's talk about the torque specifications. This bolt goes around 37 foot-pound, but don't worry if you don't have any torque range. Just make sure it is tight. Not too tight, we don't want to break anything, just tight enough. Now reroute the serpentine belt. Double check the belt path and release the tensioner. If you have any doubts, remember the image I gave you at the beginning of this video. And that's it, your new idler pulley is installed on your Chevy engine. This job is done quick, easy, and the right way. Like and subscribe for more DIYs from this channel.